Look at my screen.
I can't, but it sounds funny.
They're
Oh my
all.
God.
They
They're
don't.
not even gonna. They're not gonna give a shit.
They don't
They're not-
see me. They
Look at
don't.
those. Oh shit! 3 guys.
Oh my god.
And they're pushing towards you. 4 guys now.
Towards me?
They're
No,
so.
towards that clicker. Just don't move.
So
Just don't.
many.
Fuck, I need 5.56. I'm out of ammo.
Oh my god.
You're gonna see them, Shijon.
How the fuck? How the fuck?
This is the closest the enemies has gone. Oh, they see a team. Oh, they see a team. GG's to that guy. Oh wait, yeah, I need to see these guys.
They're literally leaving. They are literally walking away from me right now.
Watch your death.
Oh, look at my screen. Look how many people. There are like 3 squads fighting right now, dude. Oh my god.
Board it.
I can't.
Oh shit. There, one's in the house.
Sean, there's a guy out in front. If you peek
see,
up.
look at him. He's looking. The other guy's looking.
You're gonna be screwed the moment you press the F button or the interact button.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh
Holy
shit!
shit.
You're shooting it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! You're like watching a fight as it happens.
Did he just?
Oh, look at this guy! Look at this guy! I thought he saw you!
Oh, you burning me, you bitch! You're trying to fucking burn. How the fuck did he not see me? He was literally looking right at me. Can you like watch previous games? Cause I'm gonna need somebody to do that.
Dude, you're watching a fight as it happens. This is fucking
Sean, Sean, if you can come look at where I am, dude. Look at me.
Just
Look at how this.
spectator.
Dude, you're clear. Honestly, you can come peek this. I know you're clear. Like, look at where. Look how perfect this is.
Don't move.
Okay, there's a guy. There's another guy going to the 2-story. The red 2-story. Oh, he's on the tree. Oh my god.
Oh shit. This
Stay
is a fight.
hidden. There's 5 people. 6. There's a guy. Oh my god.
He's gonna get flanked. He is gonna get flanked.
Me?
No, those guys.
This guy needs to have 5.56.
I know. I want them to like. Hold on. Do I have a grenade? If they hunker around this thing, I'm gonna blow up this fucking car.
You have a grenade?
Yes.
Oh, this guy's gonna go Allah Akbar. Oh my god.
There's a guy up here.
Yeah.
He's inside. He just jumped out.
Oh, he just jumped
He
out.
just bailed out the fucking.
Oh.
He's coming in. He's coming.
No.
He's gonna come
going
around.
bottom,
He knows
bottom,
you're in
bottom,
there.
bottom.
He's gonna come inside.
This
Oh.
boy is peeking.
Dude, they're getting fucked.
Yeah, this
I
guy's-
feel like I'm watching a paintball fight. Okay, he's at the bottom of your house. I don't know if he
Yeah.
knows that you're there.
Yeah.
There's a team of 3.
Oh my god, dude. Oh shit. I'm gonna keep spectating Quaker. Yeah.
I want to die so I can spectate him.
Come on.
Wait, dude. Dang, I was gonna say a circle favor you. It would have been nice, because then you have to do nothing the entire game.
No!
He saw you!
No!
Oh,
I'm reporting this guy. Fuck him. Fuck him.
dude, I can't
Cheat.
believe you saw like an entire squad die. Like, and no one saw you.
How do I want to do?
Oh no.
Dude, I wish I could go. Can you? I wish you could go back and watch a game, like really bad.
I saw that shit. That was insane.
That was fucking nuts. What the fuck is going on with my game? I have a mouse sitting in the middle of my screen and like.
Oh, the hell? Oregon's playing Cal right now. Oh, they're winning. Fuck.
Oh, what happened? Hello?